Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends what to watch or how your phone understands your voice? That's machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Let's break it down simply. Instead of giving a computer a list of rules, we give it lots of data and it figures out the patterns. Take this example. We want the computer to identify cats in photos. We don't tell it, cats have ears and whiskers. We just feed it thousands of labeled images, cats and not cats, and it learns what makes a cat a cat. That's machine learning in action. There are three main types. 1. Supervised learning. We give the computer both the input and the correct answer, like a teacher with a key, used for spam detection or price prediction. 2. Unsupervised learning. We give it data with no labels. It finds patterns on its own, like grouping customers by shopping behavior. 3. Reinforcement learning. The computer learns by trial and error, like a robot learning to walk by getting rewarded for progress. You see ML everywhere. Amazon recommends products. Spotify builds playlists based on your taste. Banks detect fraud. Doctors use AI to help diagnose diseases. Even your phone unlocking with your face. That's machine learning. Imagine trying to predict house prices. We feed the model info like square footage, location, and number of bedrooms. Along with real prices, the machine analyzes patterns and builds a formula to make predictions. More data, more accuracy. Think of it like cooking. Data are ingredients, the algorithm is your recipe, and the prediction is your final dish. Machine learning is shaping how we live and work. It's used in medicine, agriculture, transportation, and even entertainment. But it also raises questions about bias, privacy, and ethics, which is why understanding it is more important than ever. So now you know, machine learning means letting computers learn from data to predict, recommend, and improve. If you like this breakdown, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what AI topic should I explain next? Thanks for watching, and keep learning.